Last night, a guy who was playing his first international inning almost led India to a disastrous loss. And if it was not to Dinesh Karthik's heroic, he would have been the most hated person in the country right now. Who is Vijay Shankar? And what is his journey until getting selected for Indian cricket team? Vijay Shankar is a regular for Tamilnadu for last 6 years. He is a batting all-rounder who can bat anywhere from number 4 to number 7. Also, his medium pace can be annoying to batsmen at times. He had a breakthrough season in 2014-15 when he scored 577 runs and took 8 wickets in Ranji Trophy as Tamil Nadu reached the final. Since then, he has played good innings for India A in the tours of Australia and South Africa. He was a part of Chennai Super Kings IPL squad from 2013 to 2015 but only got to play one match during that time. In 2016, he was picked up by the SRH at the auctions. In 2016-17 Vijay Hazare Trophy, he captained Tamil Nadu to a title victory, scoring 198 runs and snatching 8 wickets. After that, in February 2017, he struck a century for India A against the visiting Bangladesh side in a 2-day fixture at Hyderabad. Although he got the most eyeballs in the IPL season 10, his most memorable innings was during 133-run stand with SRH captain David Warner. In 3 Ranji matches this season, Vijay has managed to score 1 century and has taken 6 wickets. His Ranji stint was cut short as he was called up to the Indian Test team against Sri Lanka. In Vijay Hazare Trophy this year, he scored a century and a 50 in 4 matches. Just 12 days back, in the second match of Nidahas Trophy against Bangladesh, he was the man of the match for his 2 for 28. Last night's inning was actually only his first inning at the international stage. Playing his first tournament final, it was just pressure that got to him against Mustafizur, who was at his best in that over. So, we can create trolls, but we can't write him off this soon, because believe it or not, he is still the best competition to Hardik Pandya for fast bowling all-rounder spot in Indian team.